Ice everywhere. Look at that. Let's head out to the Roxor. And everything is covered in ice. Not too terribly cold, just about freezing right now. Temperatures have warmed up, but we do have a storm coming in. I am a bit low on gas. It's been a while since I added up gas here. You can see it's a good layer of ice on there. So let's see if we can get into the Roxor. Got the key. Turn. Like I said, it's just about freezing point right now. I believe some of this is no, it's not melting yet. Yeah, but it's just about freezing. Still quite cold, but not super terribly cold. Okay. I finished the heater install, as you can see. Everything is not only plumbed in, but it's also wired. Have my little rat's nest there. Okay, we grab the key. See if we can get this started. Also, I was very pleased. I had to just drill a hole and the switch fitted right there. I added a washer. Make sure it stays in place. What's going on here? Turn that on. I do need a couple of zip ties to tidy up the wiring. As you can see, I got my ground right here. Right, let's see if this will fire up. And this is why you need a defrost kit. Everything outside is pure ice, inside is clear. Let's get this fired up. Uh-oh. Nothing. There we go. So for the switch, I had 4 pins on the back. There's an H, which is the high, an L for the low, a B that goes to the battery, and then there's also, I believe it's called a C. So the way I found out about the high and low, I used each of these wires and connected them to the battery. And you could tell from the fan speeds, one of them was high, I believe this one, then the red was low, and of course you have your ground, which I ran it out here, right there. So I will still have to secure everything because everything moves back and forth. That's not very reassuring. I'll have to secure everything and get it out of the way so it doesn't hang out there. And the other thing is I have this connected directly to the battery, so even if the engine is not running and I turn it on, the fan will keep running. That's very dangerous in case you had to, let's say somebody else drove the vehicle, they might forget to turn off the fan, and then by the time you come back everything is dead and you run down your battery. So I'll let this sit for about maybe 5-10 minutes, heat up, and I'll come right back. I've got to run to the gas station to fuel up the Roxor with some diesel. So here is a look underneath the hood. As you can see, I perforated a hole through one of those grommets, ran the cable to the positive end of the positive terminal of the battery. Sorry about the wiring mess you see underneath the hood. Of course, my Roxor is still a work in progress. So you have my headlights and my variable shift on the fly tune. All the cables are all over the place, but yep, that's pretty much what my setup looks like. Quick look, long shot, and it's been a few minutes. As you can see, the ice is starting to melt slowly but certainly. That just tells you how warm it got inside. Let's open up. Fan is going full blast. See right there is 21.3 Fahrenheit, 14.2. Remember, we have this vent right here pointing down, right there. And in there we have 59.63 degrees. 60. So it gets quite toasty here. Let's check the hoses. 54. 56. Yep, it gets really toasty in here. Yep, so folks, yeah, I'm happy with the performance of my heater. Of course, I have the controls for the wiper. I still haven't wired everything in. All in all, I think it's a very good buy, and I'll be able to survive this winter better. A solid sheet of ice. The roof is melting already, as you can see. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.